This video explains the assignments for triads and seventh chords found on page 110 of the Motus Vetus text. You're going to sing this entire exercise A through K. For A through F, we're going to use the first note as our do. It's always C, and we're going to always use that as do for A through F. So if we get our pitch, the first one is going to be do, mi, so. The next one would be do, me, so. This one is going to be do, mi, la. The next one would be do, me, le. E goes do, fa, mi. Not me. Do, fa, la. That's what I should say. Do, fa, la. And then do, fa, le. So that's how we do A through F. All right. For G through K, the notes resolve to something. So we're going to use the in most cases the final pitch or the note that we're resolving to as our do. So in G, we have a diminished triad that's resolving to this pitch D flat as do. So that will be our do. And our starting pitch, which is still a C, but if we think of the final pitch D flat as do, then this actually starts on T. And the notes will be, or solfeggios will be T, re, fa. Ti, re, fa, mi, do. That's what you do for G. For H, we're going to think of this F as our final pitch, and that's the note of resolution. That's going to be our do, which would make this C starting on so, giving us a true dominant seventh chord with a resolution. So this is going to be so, ti, re, fa, mi, do. So, ti, re, fa, mi, do. So, ti, re, fa, mi, do. For I, this D flat is going to be our resolution. That's going to be do. So that means this starts on T, ti, re, fa, and then so, mi, do. For J, our final note of resolution is this B flat down here, which is also a B flat here that they resolve to, which would tell us that this one starts on re. So it's re, fa, so, ti, do, and then you can sing the resolution of so, mi, do as well. For K, it's a little bit different. I'm not sure if this is a misprint. I'm not quite sure why they resolved this way. If you can think of maybe why they put these last two notes, then you can let me know. Our note of resolution for this, which is a 5 chord in third, a 5/7 chord in third inversion. The note of resolution would actually be this G. G should be do. If they wanted to do this the way they have been, they would probably put another G down here. Maybe they just ran out of space and forgot to put it on. But for K, resolve just to this note and ignore these last two. So if G is do, then this is fa, so, ti, re, and do. Starting with fa right there. All right, so this can be a very difficult drill because we're exploring these chords, and we're always starting on the same bass note of C for each one of them. But we end up changing the key that we think we're in, when we start doing the resolutions, and that changes what do is. So it's going to be very helpful for you to use a keyboard to guide you through this at first, but see if you can get yourself away from that and being able to just give yourself the starting pitch and get to the point where you can sing all of this accurately without the need for the keyboard. Also look on the assignment as number 1 melody and another one on, I think it's number 3 on page 111 are also tied in with this week's assignment.